All right, guys, what's up, guys? My thing is moving, so that's gonna be a problem. I'm recording with my phone. I got some ghetto set up. All right, guys. So yeah, today I'm gonna really quick. I'm gonna try to make it quick. I usually don't want to stretch my videos out too long, especially videos like this. I just kind of want to get to the point, cause I know you guys got stuff to do. I got stuff to do. It's super hot in here, and I'm sweating. I don't know if you could tell, but it's super hot. All right, guys. So really quick, I have a few windows here open. I have a resume builder. I have Indeed open, and I have some other website. I'll tell you about that later. It's called Resume Worded. So I just want to explain to you guys, kind of maybe what I did to get my first IT job, and I want to help you guys get your first IT job. I've been on Reddit. So that's why I'm making this video actually, because there was a few people on Reddit that actually asked me to make this. Well, not asked me to make it. I said I had a video and I do, but this video I want to go more in depth. I want to help you guys. I want you guys to make it. I want you guys to feel like how I feel on my job. I love my job. I want the best for you guys. I don't know you, but I mean, I was in the struggle. I don't know what you guys are doing right now, but yeah, working shitty jobs you hate. I know the feeling. I want to help you guys get past that. All right. So that's good. That's good enough. All right. So the first thing that I hear people say is they have all these certifications, but they can't get a job. It didn't help them get a job. Primarily, CompTIA certifications. So the CompTIA A plus is a beginner certification, and people say they got that. It didn't help them at all. So if you have, especially if you have more certifications, if you still can't get a job, it's gonna be your resume. Even with an A plus, it's gonna be your resume. I got my A plus. I sent out my shitty resume. I got no interviews, but I don't know. Maybe I think somebody told me. Maybe actually my current wife or my sister. I'm not sure who did, but they told me, you need to work on your resume. It's all about the resume. They told me about the ATS system. I googled a whole lot of things. So as soon as I fixed my resume, guys, I'm telling you, the jobs came. The jobs came. Well, not let me not say the jobs. The interviews came, and sometimes I felt like when I went to some interviews, they might have thought I was bringing more to the table, but I lucked out and I got a job. So it's gonna be a combination of your credentials, your resume, and your interview skills. So here's a sample resume. This is a website I use, resume.io. I just don't feel like messing around with, Word and stuff, so I'll just use this. You have to pay for it. You don't need to use it. By the way, none of these people sponsored me. I have like 4 subscribers. Nobody cares about me. So, anyway, so as you can see here, I have a CompTIA A plus, Network plus, and Security plus on my resume. The next thing you see, I always put this. Like if I'm going for another certification, I'm gonna put that on my resume. So when I got the A plus, Network plus was in progress, and then when I got Network plus, Security plus was in progress, and now CCNA is in progress. So I don't know if this helps, but I feel like it shows potential employers that you're always studying, learning new things. You I don't know, you're growing, just that kind of thing. So I always put that. I actually put November 2020. I'm gonna have to change that because I haven't studied since August. Well, not I haven't studied seriously, so I'm probably gonna stretch that out to like maybe December or something. I wanted to get it before the new Xbox came out, but probably not. So if you go to college, put your college. Before I get into the next part, resumes, you don't have to have a specific layout, but never have like a 4 or 5 page resume. Nobody wants to see that. So keep your resume to max 2 pages. So this resume right here is 2 pages. And yeah, so yeah, just try your best to keep it at 2 pages. Might have to format it a little bit, but I have to delete some stuff. But put anything that's the best on your resume. That's pretty much what I'm going to explain later too. So on your resume, if you're looking for an IT job, put IT stuff first on your resume. So certifications goes first. Second, if you have any education, so community college or college, bachelor's degree, anything like that, master's, whatever you have, put that either at the very top. You can put like certifications first or that first. It just depends. I like putting my certifications first because I'm still in college. I didn't complete it yet. I completed my certifications already, so I think that helps me the most. So I have, CompTIA A plus, Network plus, and Security plus. So here's the IT work experience. So if you don't have IT work experience, I always tell people put your independent IT specialist. So for me, fix people's computers. Like I remember I fixed people's hair. I used to go to a haircut place. It was a salon, but she cut my hair really well. And I used to fix their computer, fix anybody's computer, guys. Fix your grandma's computer, your own computer. It doesn't matter. Put it on your resume as independent IT specialist. Nobody needs to know that it was just your own or your grandma's or who. Nobody needs to know whose computer it was. If you know how to fix computers, if you've fixed computers before, if you've troubleshooted before, we all have. We're playing a game online, we get the network error, so we Google it. That's still troubleshooting. Guess how many times I Google at my job? Plenty of times. How many times does my supervisor Google? Plenty of times. We all use Google, guys. So you don't have to be like the smartest guy that knows everything. So I mean, even if you Google stuff, that counts. Okay, so put that on your resume, independent IT specialist. Now, as for the stuff you did, so it says I upgraded 50 computers from Windows 7 to 8 and Windows 10. So when I was working at a university, I did that. People was like, "Hey, I heard you was okay with computers," because I used to talk to them and stuff, and be like, "Oh yeah, talk about the games and whatnot." So I just like install Windows 10. So that comes back. So this is gonna get me to talk about what to actually put on your resume. So as you can see, it says upgraded over 50 computers from Windows 7 and 8 to Windows 10 and coached clients on the process. It doesn't just say like, what was my job duty or something like that, like upgraded computers from Windows 7 to 10. I have a specific number, and I also coached clients on the process. So this is going to me talking about what to put on your resume. Don't put job duties, guys. Leave that crap off your resume. I say it's crap because it is. Nobody likes that nowadays, I assume. That's just what I read on Google everywhere. They want to see accomplishments. So I upgraded over 50. I don't know if it's 50. It's a lot. It might be 100, but I just put over 50 computers because that's what I did. You can do the same thing. I don't care if you did one computer. Put at least 10. So we're gonna skip this here, the customer service, because this was like a real job. Um, so I mean, a lot of you guys don't have IT experience, but as you can see, this was in 2011. I was actually a customer service representative slash tech support, but I didn't really say a whole lot of like. Well, actually, I did kind of say customer service stuff, but again, putting numbers in there, solve 90% of complicated technical issues. All right, so now we get into like employment history that's not necessarily IT, but could be anything. So I was, well, I forgot to delete that, but I used to work at USC. Um, I did some stuff. I wasn't a host, but like I was kind of like customer service. I was kind of like a busser. So here, I left all that crap off my resume, like cleaning tables. I don't know what else I did. Like, man, I forgot. It's been a while. I did barely did anything at that job. Like, man, it was slow most of the time. So yeah, but cleaned, wiping tables, mopping the floor, sweeping. Leave that off your resume. if it's IT, they don't want to see that. So the only thing I put here is establish rapport with guests, faculty, and staff because they want to see, you're good with customer service. You can talk to people. I actually didn't put a whole lot here, and I really should have, but I guess, I was working on this forever. So I guess I got kind of tired of fucking around with my resume. But yeah, as you can see, prevented a coworker from divulging sensitive data by educating her on social engineering attacks. So that's an easy one, guys. You study A plus or Network Plus. I don't know if A plus. Actually, I don't think A plus teach social engineering, but especially Network Plus and Security Plus, you learn that. Um, yeah, just put that on my resume because I mean it looks good. It's IT. That wasn't my job, but I did it. I did it anyways. But yeah, customer service oriented, that's really good. If they see you're really good with customer service, that might definitely get you that help desk job because they're big on that. So put a lot of customer service stuff in there. Again, don't put duties, put accomplishments. Nobody knows this on YouTube, but I'm working on a video game, actually multiple video games. I'm not gonna go over this right now. Maybe in a video. Probably shoot one after this. I got to keep myself to that. I keep putting it off. But yeah, the reason why I put this here because it shows that even though it's not really on my resume, it shows that I use these things. FL Studio, I don't know why I put that in there, or Audacity, but yeah, I just be like tools used, this, and this. The good things are C++. That shows that I kind of know how to code. Unity. And then here it is again. Accomplishments, collaborated and led an art team, spearheaded development of video game systems, which resulted in new playable features, demonstrated critical thinking. That's not really an accomplishment, but that's one more thing I need to bring up is these keywords. So look up these keywords, guys, like demonstrated. You see it a lot here, spearheaded, collaborated. Up here, established, prevented, outperformed, guided, managed, mentored, reviewed and evaluated. And here, upgraded, blah, blah, blah. You get the point. They don't want to see this weak stuff. It's all about those keywords, guys. It's all about keywords. It sucks. Look up keywords. I'm about to get to that right now. So here we have resume worded. Before I get to anything else, I don't know, I guess it's good. It helped me boost my profiles on my resume. But this rates your resume scores based on keywords, like I was just saying, like spearheaded, established, guided, blah, blah, blah. It helps with that. And then if you're using weak keywords, it tells you. If you use too many of the same keywords, it also tells you. I was having that issue. So target resume, I'm going to get to that. So that is going to be a specific job that you're applying for. So see it like this. On this side, where my mouse is, you'll have your resume. And on this side, you'll have the job keywords I'll show you, or the job description. But let me go ahead and pull up this Indeed page. All right, so Service Desk Agent, L1, Turner Tektronix, I don't know. It's in Burbank. They pay 16 to 18. Damn. They're going to have to pay more than that. Damn. All right, so here it is. So here's the job description. Like service desk agents are able to perform the duties associated with being the frontline support liaison. All right, so here are some of the key words that I mean. So service desk agents must be able to troubleshoot, analyze, prioritize, resolve, facilitate issues, achieve a resolution. And then it goes down here to skills. It says Windows and Mac, experience with email systems, understanding of Active Directory, network troubleshooting, let's see, help desk duties. So here it says email again, troubleshoots. But yeah, let's just put these words up here because this is kind of not a really super good example because like I think if you were to apply to this job, it might be a little easy. But yeah, so let me get to that really quick. So all right, so before a human being even looks at your resume, it goes through a system. I think it's called like an ATS system or something like that. But it goes through that system and it compares the description and all these keywords in here. Like I said, Mac OS, Windows, Active Directory, network troubleshooting, email, help desk. It goes through those words and compares it with your resume. And if your resume does not have those words, you're gonna rate like, I don't know, 40. So you can see a job I did, I rated 96. I actually believe I did get an interview for that job, but I think I turned it down because I already got a job. So, but yeah, so it does help. But if your resume doesn't have those words, nobody's gonna see it because the system's gonna rate it low. Excuse me, and it's gonna go to the trash. So you want to make sure, guys, that you're going into these job descriptions and you're looking at these keywords that's in here. Anything you see on here, like here, desktop, that'd be like Windows, printers, network. Put that in your resume. If you pass A plus, even yeah, A plus, you know that. You know printers, you know about networks and network errors. You know how to troubleshoot. You know desktop, like Windows or Mac. You know that because that's what we learned. So if you learned it, put it in your resume. Don't be like hardcore lying though and saying you're like an expert in like Active Directory if you just have A plus. Cause like I put it in my resume, but when I went to the interview, I was just like, yeah, I watched videos on Active Directory. um, but I know what it is because I learned in A plus. You know what it is, guys. You know what Active Directory is. Just put that on your resume. It might be helpful, guys, to look up jobs that are like internships or like apprenticeships or even free. Work for free, guys. Call Apple. That's what I was doing at first. I was calling Apple and stuff. I was lucky I got this job because I would be working at Apple for free. But call up places, be like, hey, yeah, I'm just looking for like some an opportunity. I'll work for free. Work for free, guys. Work for free for max a year. I say max a year. Like even after your first month working for free, start applying to jobs. Keep applying throughout the whole time. If you're not satisfied, keep applying. There's nothing you can lose. The only thing you're gonna get is a no. That's it. Keep applying, guys. Don't stop applying. When you're working for free, keep working. Get that experience. Everything you do, put it in your resume. As a like, man, if it's impressive, like this job I got now, man, I'm dealing with networks. I'm dealing with SQL, databases, company software. I'm learning that stuff, so I'm gonna be like, yeah, I learned all the company software. Like it's nowhere else, but I learned the company stuff. Man, I don't know. There's just so much. I learned how to build PCs, troubleshooting, security. Not too much security, a little bit, but yeah, everything, guys. Cisco switches, routers. Man, it's crazy. Anything you do, put it in your resume. Make it look good, guys. So yeah, work for free, library, I don't know. But I mean, if you have this experience and you fix your resume, getting a free job shouldn't be too difficult. Um, One thing, also, don't lie and say you know stuff you really don't. Like, for instance, I said this in another video. I don't know Excel, so I'm not gonna put Excel on my resume because like I didn't study for Excel. I barely used Excel. I look at Excel like a chart or whatever, the cells, and that's it, guys. That's it. So don't be lying, hardcore. But yeah, I really hope this was helpful for you guys. Um, yeah, please, like, hey, fix your resume. Never give up, man. Keep on going, man. Man, if I can do it, you can. Dead serious. Like, there's nothing stopping you from getting some job. Depending on where you live too, it might be like less jobs. I'm in Los Angeles, so I might have an advantage. But even when I was not, like, talk to people as well. Um, I know some people they're waiting at their current job. Like, yeah, do that. Talk to people in your current job, but still keep applying. Apply, 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 apply. But yeah, that's it from me. Hope this was helpful. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fan on. Man, look at this. Sweating. Hope this was helpful. You guys take care. Take it easy. Good luck. Stay tuned for some more videos. If you would like, subscribe. I don't know, probably more IT stuff. Anyways, peace out, guys.